What is up, ladies and gents? It is Brian. I'm back at the Bidwell Canyon Farm YouTube channel. I just finished this beautiful tiny home, and in today's video I wanted to bring you along on the installation of this, the PRECISIONTEMP 550 NSP EC tankless hot water heater. We put it in this corner cabinet. The corner cabinet's one of those that it's kind of a big open dead space, and we thought what better way to utilize that space than put this awesome propane tankless hot water heater in. If this video helps you at all, be sure to subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up. Here's your fresh air return, your exhaust vent, and your pop-off valve. On the back of the unit, you have your cold in, your hot out, your propane in, and your 12-volt DC for your ignition and your thermal protection in freezing temperatures. In our case, we're on AC power, so I went ahead and purchased an AC to DC inverter. These will be the wires I hook up to the unit. So we're gonna use 1 1/8" hole saw and a 4 3/4" hole saw. I just gotta share with you, this hole saw kit from Milwaukee has been a lifesaver. I always use it. I'll link that down below. All right, so where are we gonna put this thing? We're gonna put it in the corner in the most seldom used cupboard of all cupboards. Okay, so I've made a pencil mark around the base. Now this is flipped upside down so I can get the proper outline of the unit. And then I'm going to measure my centers on my exhaust and my pop-off outlet, which will have to be transcribed in a flipped, like a reflection of what's going on. So these two outlets will be actually this side and this will be on that side, if that makes sense. I'm in the Lazy Susan, baby. 1 7/8, 3 and a stink. Alright, so I have that bit down through the floor and subfloor. I'm gonna go underneath, locate that, and see if my hole saw is gonna work, because I have a floor joist running right through here somewhere. Here, my friends, is our pilot bit. It's actually 9/16 off of our floor joist. I really like to put that ABS and pipe clamp it right to that floor joist. So this maybe will be a better spot. Here, let me show you a little trick of the trade. You can take your drill, tighten it on your pilot from underneath the home, and get it out of the way. Trick of the trade. Okay. Now, another trick of the trade I want to tell you about is, instead of blowing up through that cabinet from underneath, it would be best practice to go to the top and drill down. You'll get a much cleaner hole. Isn't she lovely? Now is a lovely time to install your mounting flanges. A little tighten up. Good. All we need to do is drill that last pop-off hole, and we'll be good to go. Interestingly enough, I've found that this is at a 77-degree angle. So, look at that. What better way to utilize a useless Lazy Susan than to put a PRECISIONTEMP hot water heater tankless in there. But first we need to make all our plumbing connections back here. Kitchen's coming together. We're waiting on our exhaust tailpipe extensions. I got 2 18-inchers and 1 elbow. And what this is a 2-inch inner diameter on one side and a 2-inch outer diameter on the other. And this sleeves onto the PRECISIONTEMP unit. Then I'm gonna run an elbow and then out the sidewall so it exhausts outside. Okay, so now we have our pop off. I just put a shark bite fitting because this is flexible. So I'm gonna put this, I probably should peel this sticker off. Why do they put stickers on here? I'm gonna leave a link to these. These are kind of hard to find. I'll leave a little affiliate link for these options for you. Okay, I got the sticker off. It was not easy and I didn't like it. Flex Fix Nashua. And I have a pencil line around here. You can see that pencil line. I'm just gonna tape the air openings that were outside of the pencil line. See if I can put you on the exhaust pipe. Yes, I can. The top of this, I'm gonna put a large, healthy bead of caulking on, as well as this one. Okay, now I'm going to drop in the unit. Oh yeah, who is this guy? Did you see that? I did it. So now, fasten her on down to the floorboard. And then I'm gonna take you on a grand adventure underneath the home. It's so amazing, it's so fun. I got a piece of 1/2 inch, it's tongue and groove flooring to give this a better space. Now the space around the exhaust pipe is much more equal. I'm very happy with that. What I did is I put 2 3-inch deck screws through this and drilled into the pipe for the fresh air return. Now I'm gonna put some caulking around the gap here so no rodentia decides to jump up here. If rodentia can get in here, which I don't think they can. Thank you, me. The gaps are all sealed up all the way around everything. You can see everything's sealed. And now we're good to go. So I got our PEX connections hooked up, cold in on the bottom, hot out on the top. And when it comes to gas fittings, you really need to be careful to hold this fitting tight while you're tightening this one. So you need 2 crescent wrenches. And we're going to be pulling this way, so this basically just needs to be stationary. So go ahead and tighten that up. And these, you want to put a pretty good tighten up. There's no gaskets or anything. Okay, that's good and tight, good and tight. And now we can connect our power. And if you recall, we have an AC to DC inverter, and I bought this from Precision Temp. I crimped on a female 22 to 16 gauge crimp. They mark these positive with the red here and negative with the green. So we're gonna go ahead and connect our positive terminals and our negative terminals like this. Okay, so friends, that's it. We're installed and ready for hot water. If you want to save $50 on your tankless hot water heater from Precision Temp, visit precisiontemp.com and upon checkout, put in code BCF2023. You'll get $50 off, and we'll get $50 in the farm fund from a commission that the company set up for us on the channel. So thank you, Precision Temp, and thank you, viewers, for watching. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to the channel and give this video a thumbs up and hit your post notifications so you don't miss any other uploads from Bidwell Canyon Farm. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll catch you on the next one. Shaka!